Here's the solution for part C of question 1 of your test. Really, we have a double inequality here to solve. The question is, solve the following inequalities and express your answer on number line. Part C. X minus 1 is less than 2x minus 3, which is less than 5 plus x. Now to solve a double inequality, what we should do here is isolate x some way or the other. Now this question is relatively simple. You will understand why. When I write x minus 1 is less than 2x, let me write it down once again. X minus 1 less than 2x minus 3, which is less than 5 plus x. I could eliminate these x's by taking away x from the three parts, right? So we can do minus x here, right? We can do minus x here and minus x there. So once we do that, what do we get? X minus x is 0. So we get minus 1, and then 2x minus 3 reduces to x minus 3, which should be less than 5, right? So we get x minus 3 is greater than minus 1 and less than 5. Now we have to eliminate minus 3. So what should we do? We'll add plus 3, right? So I'm kind of using a different strategy here, trying to show you steps in a different way. You could write again minus 1 plus 3 less than x minus 3 plus 3 less than 5 plus 3. That's a better way of doing, but this is for your understanding. So what do we get? Minus 1 plus 3 is 2, and x minus 3 plus 3 is x, which should be less than 8. So get your answer, which is x is between 2 and 8. These two numbers are not included. So on a number line, we can represent our answer as not equal to means whole, right? So we have unfilled circle here and another one there, correct? And as you know, these 2 points for us are 2 and 8. So 0 is somewhere. Let us say 0 is here. 0 is not part of our solution, correct? So first let's see whether 0, which is not a part of solution, works or not. If I put 0 here, then I get minus 1 is less than minus 3, which is incorrect. That's a good idea in case of double inequality to check it with your solution set itself. So we can take a test point, let us say 4 in between, right? So let me test here. So let's have a test point. So we are considering a test point of 4. So if I substitute 4, what do I get? So let me write down. If I write 4 here, so 4 minus 1 less than 2 times 4 minus 3 less than 5 plus 4, which is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Less than 9, so that is perfectly fine. So you checked it, right? So check, okay, right? So that is the correct solution. So that is how we can solve inequalities and check them also. Now we'll have part D, in which it is not so easy to eliminate x from all the other sides, right? So let us see how to do those kinds of questions. Thank you and all the best.